and
formation of long neck from short neck
nutrition.
Long neck from short neck from short neck. Okay.
Already we discussed about nutrition. What is nutrition? You know very well that nutrition means, what is nutrition? Nutrition means
When grassroots communities are
taking
when grassland communities are away from the land, immediately
taking up
try to reach the short neck
observe
becomes into long neck. Short neck becomes into long. Okay. So that long neck character must and should transmitted to oxygen. Okay. So that long neck character must and should transmitted to next generation. Oxygen.
of taking of nutrient is called already last food is very material. What is the use of food material? Usually food material use energy to living organism. Use energy to living organism. Yes, yes, how living organism take nutrition or nutrient. How living organism take? How means there are different types of nutrition process. For example, autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition. Next, heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic. These are 9 important 2 types of nutrition. Here, so let us say first about autotrophic. Understanding food material and living organism. Living organism need food material. Why? What is the use of food material? Food material use energy to organism. Food material use energy to organism. This is the use of food material. Food material has different types of components in this food material. For example, carbohydrate, next protein, next lipid, next vitamin, next mineral. Like this, there are different types of components present in food material. There are different types of components in food material. These all are actually nutrients. These are nutrients. Here, process of taking of nutrient is called nutrition. Process of taking of nutrients into the body is called nutrition. Remember important. What is nutrition? How can we define? Process of taking of nutrients is called nutrition. There are different types of nutrition method. Okay, first one autotrophic mode of nutrition. Second one heterotropic nutrition. Okay, let us study first about autotrophic mode of nutrition. First, autotrophic mode of nutrition. Okay.
ఇది దీనికి బ్లూటూత్ రావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి దీనికి బ్లూటూత్ మీరు ఆప్షన్ ఏంటంటే సెట్టింగ్ లో
Actually, before discussing about autotrophic nutrition, how to know another important word, that is autotroph. That is auto. What are autotrophs? What are autotrophs? Autotrophs mean organisms which can prepare their own material. Organisms which can prepare their own food material are called autotrophs. What are autotrophs? Organisms which can prepare their own food material. They are called autotrophs. They are called autotrophs. Here, mode of nutrition which is performed by autotroph is called autotrophic nutrition. Understanding? What is autotrophic nutrition? Mode of nutrition. Performed by, that is performed by autotroph. Mode of nutrition that is performed by autotroph is called autotrophic nutrition. How can they prepare their food material? How can they prepare their own food material? They have important pigment, that is chlorophyll pigment. That is chlorophyll. This chlorophyll green color pigment. Green color pigment. What is the use of this green color chlorophyll pigment? What is the use? Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll pigment can trap the solar light energy and convert the light energy into chemical energy. Trap solar energy and convert it into chemical energy. Chemical energy. This is the use of chlorophyll. It's a chlorophyll. Observe answer. Observe carefully. This chlorophyll is very, very important pigment here. Next, this chlorophyll pigment is located in a specialized structure, that is chloroplast. That is chloroplast. Inside of the chloroplast, chlorophyll pigment is located. Remember. Understanding? Here, what is the chemical energy? For example, ATP, NADPH. These two are chemical energy forms. These are also called as assimilatory power. These are also called as assimilatory power. Very important. Energy currency forms these are. ATP is also called as energy currency. Energy currency of the cell. Energy currency of the cell. Understanding? Okay, observe carefully. What is the full form of ATP? Listen, chlorophyll is located in chloroplast. Chlorophyll pigment is located in chloroplast. Chloroplast means it is a specialized structure. It is a specialized structure. Understanding? Next, chloroplast, a specialized structure. Inside of the chloroplast, usually chlorophyll green color pigment is located. Next, ATP, NADP है. These two are chemical energy form. These two are chemical energy form. ATP full form is adenosine triphosphate. This is actually full form of ATP. Full form of the ATP. Understanding? What is the use of ATP and NADPH? During the photosynthesis. This assimilatory power are useful to condense the 6 molecules of carbon dioxide as glucose. Here ATP is required. Here very important is ATP is required to condense the carbon dioxide molecule into C6H12O6. Okay. Without these two, this process cannot occur. Okay, these two are necessary. These two energy forms are formed from the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll pigment converts the solar energy into ATP and NADPH. Now ATP and NADPH are used to condense the carbon dioxide into the C6H12O6 means glucose. Okay, observe one, sir. Understanding? Here photosynthesis. Observe photosynthesis. What is? Photosynthesis is a process by which plant cells can prepare their own food material. It's called photosynthesis. Okay, process by which plants produce, by which plants produce food material. Is called photosynthesis. During the photosynthesis process, actually, what will happen? Water is absorbed from the soil. Carbon dioxide is absorbed from air. Okay, these two are very, very important. Next, sunlight. What? Sunlight is absorbed from the sun. Is absorbed from sun. Observe. Air, carbon dioxide from air, water from soil, sunlight from sun. Like this, by taking different types of simple substances, plants can prepare glucose. Plants can prepare glucose. Are you understanding? Here, process by which green plants synthesize their own food materials or synthesize complex food materials from simple ones. From simple ones. This process is called photosynthesis. Understanding? Observe. What is the formula of photosynthesis? 6CO2 plus, listen carefully, 6CO2 plus 12H2O, 12H2O gives rise to sunlight. Chlorophyll. Next, C6 H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H4. This is a formula. See, observe. Here, observe. Oxygen is evolved from the photosynthesis. From which molecule? Actually, from water molecule. From water molecule. When water molecule is broken down, then listen carefully here. When H2O is broken down, then what will happen actually? Two H plus 2 electron plus half O2 or O. These are formed. Means observe here, oxygen is evolved from water. Oxygen is evolved from water. Are you understanding? Important, remember. After formation of glucose, these glucose molecules are combined and form a polysaccharide chain. Polysaccharide chain. Glucose. All glucose molecules are linked one with another and form polysaccharide chain. What? Polysaccharide chain. Here photosynthesis process. This is a very important process. This process occurs in plants. Here chlorophyll pigment is very, very important because without chlorophyll, energy formed or not formed. If there is no energy, photosynthesis process does not take place. That is why energy is also very important here. Okay, glucose polysaccharide chain is formed here. Observe. After preparation, this polysaccharide chain is modified as starch. Next type, this is one type of nutrition. Next another one, saprophytes. Saprophytic nutrition. Actually, this type of mode of nutrition is present in fungi. Where? In fungi, saprophytic nutrition occurs. Actually, fungi means these are one type of plant. They have no chlorophyll, means chlorophyll is absent. These are non-green plants. These are non-green plants. Here, they cannot prepare their own food material. They cannot prepare their own food material. That is why they are dependent on the other organisms for their food. This type of nutrition is called heterotrophic nutrition. Here actually digestion process takes place outside of the digestion process takes place outside of the body. Outside of the body. First, imagine this is a food material. Here, fungi. If this fungi falls on the food material, immediately it sends different types of enzymes. Understanding? Different types of enzymes are sent by fungi on food material. Due to presence of this enzyme, food material, due to presence of enzyme, food materials are digested outside of the female body. Then digested food material is thrown into the water ecosystem or any dustbin. Understanding? Okay, here after digestion, digested materials are absorbed by plants, absorbed by fungi. But some amount of these type of products are absorbed by plants. Understanding? Here digestion takes place outside of the female body. Outside of the female body. Observe carefully. Outside of the body or digestive system. This is very, very important. Remember. Then digested materials are absorbed by fungi. Digested materials are absorbed by fungi. Okay, observe carefully. This type of nutrition is called saprophytic nutrition. Next, parasitic nutrition. What? Parasitic nutrition. What are parasites? Parasites mean organisms which depend on the other living organisms for food material. Living organism which are dependent on other living organism. They are called parasites. Nutrition which is performed by parasites is called parasitic nutrition. Example, bleach. Next, lime. Next, some other plants, for example, kasputa. Like there are number of spiga, doranthus, strychnum. Like there are number of plants and animals that act as parasites. That act as parasites. Understanding? Here, nutrition type of nutrition which is performed by parasites is called parasitic nutrition. Okay. They take the food materials from the host plant or animal without killing it. They take nutrients. They take nutrients from the host plants without killing it. This type of organisms are called parasites. Okay. Next, another important one. They take the food materials into their bodies and they digest the taken materials inside of the body. Inside of the body. It's called, okay, they are called also parasites. Observe all important ones. Parasitic nutrition. Kasputa, doranthus, spiga, strychnum. Like this, there are number of ones. Okay. तो हो गया सर